is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. They throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's laying.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another video with you all, and this time I'm doing a DIY porch makeover. I hope you enjoy. Inspired by Mackenzie Child's decor, I took these plastic planters that I picked up off eBay, and what I'm doing here guys is just taking some black craft paint, and I'm going to go around and paint every second piece of the design.
See if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time.
Now what I'm doing here guys is just completely freehand. At the very bottom of the base, I'm just doing random little black squares.
You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own.
I'm going to continue that right around the bottom. I'm then going to take some more of that black paint and I'm going to paint around the rim of the base.
So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Ooh, I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind.
After painting the very top, I then moved on to the top part of the planter. Now guys, what I'm doing here is I'm just pointing that I'm going to paint the bottom of it black, and then I'm going to go around and make random squares over the entire project. Now, as you can see here, this is totally freehand, guys. I'm not making any particular measurements when it comes to my squares. I'm just doing everything freehand, and I'm really loving how it's coming.
Well, you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Now, adding some gold to the design, I also added this gorgeous baby blue to the very round rim at the top of the planter.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I then started on the second planter using the same method.
You won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel
finished, I was so happy with how they came. I shopped my own home for what I was going to put inside them. I had these beautiful topiary ball trees from Early Settler Furniture that I picked up a few years ago. And to dress them up, I'm going to add this Temu bow.
Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
I then continued to shop my own home for some decorative pieces to go on my porch. I absolutely love this rose welcome to my home sign that I picked up from a local dollar store.
You're gone now, but you're coming back.
I then found a decorative wreath that I already had, and I layered 2 bows to the front.
It's a known fact.
I also wanted to add this beautiful Kmart planter that I recently picked up. I filled it with some beautiful flowers from Temu.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Now, before we get started on decorating, my hubby made me a DIY project which required a trip to Bunnings.
I hope I'll be your...
Now guys, I have a very small porch, and across the front of my house I've always wanted a cross-like fence, a Hampton style fence to go across the front. So my wonderful hubby was on board to create that for me. So we picked up a few supplies and then headed home.
Even though it makes no sense, sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions, sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight when
Now hubby started on the frame of the fence as well as concreting in the posts to the fence at the front of my house.
myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
So once the hubby had done a wonderful job on the fence, it was my time to start painting it in this beautiful Dulux Vivid White.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
Once it was completely dry, I headed outside and cleaned off my front porch.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
a very small area, guys, but I really love decorating it. I wanted to bring in some black and white to go with my blush pink stenciled concrete at the front door.
I guess I can.
Now, I recently just ordered a new black and white check front door mat, guys, from Amazon, and I'm just waiting for that to arrive. But I really love how it will also go with the pink and the black and white check.
Leaving this mark, but baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
Guys, I absolutely love how my front porch makeover came. I love this cross fence that my hubby built for me. I'm so appreciative of everything he does.
Flare of light you see when it gets dark. I'm not a knight in shining armor, and I'm
Now, we've just gone into winter here in Australia, guys, so it was a very gloomy day here, and I love just decorating my porch to brighten things up.
I can't climb no mountains for you, my love. I can't climb no mountains or swim in cold water. No, I can't find you. I've been looking everywhere, don't know what to do. Oh, you are my everything. I've been dreaming about you every day.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video of my DIY front porch makeover. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.